This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Hit that like button. The only channel out there, the only trade group that caught the low with Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the pattern in play. Hit the like button. Join our VIP today. We have some incredible TA to go over. New York Institute of Finance, where Wall Street goes to school. The pro players are looking at this chart. Guys, it's in their materials, their published materials. They're known where Wall Street goes to school. We're going to talk about the returns, okay? The $100,000 to $700,000 in 24-hour trade. What's the status? What's the status of the VIP trades? Look at this, 196%, 175%. Guys, I have to tell you, the $100,000 trade on 50X went triple wide on it, perpetual, quarterly, and weekly. The weekly, listen up, expired. So the $250,000 return on a $40,000 entry, boom, the contract settled. So there are two remaining portions. That's what I'm talking about. Not that you emulate, but so that you understand what the market is capable of. A remaining perpetual at $20,000 margin entry, currently at $128,000 in the profit. Taking a look at the quarterly is still open. Understand the weekly expires every week. Thus, we like the perpetuals, but there's a limitation on how much you can get into on a perpetual at 50X. The returns are phenomenal, $100,000 into $700,000. So understand the quarterly hasn't expired yet. Looking at that $40,000 entry and a return of $251,000. So that weekly automatically closed. I want to shout out to the VIP. We're also going to discuss, in addition to look at this, guys, the New York Institute of Finance materials. You'll find this. All the VIP have it. It's all over the internet. You guys will see it for copyright purposes. You'll find it on the net. Page 121. And taking a look at this, and the guys up at New York Institute of Finance are great guys. I have to say that. Great guys. Love sending them students. Absolutely. Love sending them students. You wonder, well, what would I talk with them about? Sending them students, okay? Former hedge fund owner, me, London. Former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Now, level of resistance descending. Flat bottom support. I have a key. Then we're going to talk about that 9 over the 18. Take a look at this is going to be the key to the puzzle. People want to know, well, is this a double bottom or is this a descending triangle? Guys, we're going to go over some more of those returns in just a minute for VIP. Shout out. Some big returns, too. I can't even wait. This is the key, guys. The specificity here of the lower right-hand corner, we're going to fill this out. Does Bitcoin want to push into this zone? Okay, that's going to determine whether or not we're looking at a descending triangle or as the pattern reflects on the right-hand side. And you can just appreciate this, guys. Very nice conformance. Very nice patterning. Let's look at this, guys. Very, very nicely done. Extremely nicely done. Let's go into the rest of the VIP returns. So, Liam, 1, 2, 3, 4. The interesting thing, and I look at this, 175, 196, 45%, 53%, is what he said. Great indicator. 4 of 5 last trades were winners. 3 of those trades were using fire and ice. Oh, yeah, fire and ice. What is fire and ice? That's our VIP indicator. I have to tell you guys, look at the levels. Look at the fire sale. Boom, getting hit. Look at the ice cold short. Boom, getting hit. The ice cold short. Boom, boom. As you look at using the fire and ice indicator for the VIP only, it's brand new. It is the hottest talk around because we caught the low. Hello, guys. We just got the low with the indicator. It's built for ranging. I want to let you guys know it's built for ranging. You guys, we're seeing incredible results with the VIP. We hope you join today, honestly, to help your trade game. Now, we have Venus with 214%. Let me rewind on the descending triangle versus the. Look at this, guys. This is crucial. And no one's telling you this, guys. Just me, okay? In terms of this getting filled out, yes, it's going to determine whether or not we're in a descending triangle or a double bottom. You guys see that? Hugely applicable to your trade game. Hello. Yeah, we got to see what the market wants to do. If you're in from underneath, you can let profits run a bit. There's going to be a level of resistance. Let's go through Venus, 214%, number one contributor to the channel. So excited to be building with you in 2022. La Jolla headquarters incoming. Going to be phenomenal. The short, 214%. Venus, and I know you had a busy day. Phenomenal returns on a short. She loves the short. Looking at Gulshan, 418%. Boom. 418%. Look at this, 215%. Look at Gulshan. New VIP saying amazing. Fire and ice is spot on. That's the indicator, guys. That's the fire sale line. People say, well, how are you supposed to use it? Well, you've got a fire sale line. All right. And what is it? Just to let you know, what is it? It's a page ripped out of the book of the New York Institute of Finance that mostly only Wall Street traders, pro traders, are going to take a look at. But our VIP take a look at it. You got it. Now you have an indicator to go along with it. So we have the fire sale line. We have the ice cold short line. And then we have a golden short line. All right. Then we have a green buy line. The point is capital management. You always need to be prepared for the next level up. Boom, for the extreme mature. It will force you to not be overexposed in the markets. I promise it will force you to not be overexposed in the markets. It'll teach you that lesson. It's also not intended to be a replacement for the fundamentals of technical analysis. You betcha, guys. It is not intended to be a replacement for the fundamentals of technical analysis. Understood. Pattern breakouts play. Range, all right, let's say macro and micro patterns. Play. Understood? VIP. Way to be. I'm going to tell you, understood. On the 4 hourly, understood. Rising wedge. Boom, to the downside. Don't get caught with a downside target or upside target, aggressive price action and say, well, the indicator doesn't work. You stay on the daily. You stay on the 4 hourly unless you have all of, and listen up, unless you have all of the fundamentals of technical analysis mastered. If you're on the 5-minute, 15-minute, you are in the pro zone. Bottom line. 806% goes to J Mac, my man. What's up, J Mac? Yo, Jay, I gotta say, where are the charts? Yo, where are the charts, J Mac? We gotta know. 806%. Let's see what that. Ethereum. Yeah. I did post a chart on Ethereum, so congratulations on that. Congratulations, J-Mac. You know I'm not a big Ethereum fan, etc., but congratulations. Now, this is the teaser, or this is really, guys, this is the game. This is the big deal. If you are paying attention right now, you're about to learn something. I normally save these issues for, you guys know. Let's do this. Let's invite you to join VIP, number one trade group, over 130. Over 130. And Gulshan, I got to say, incredible returns, man. We're so excited you're in VIP. All of you new VIP. Now, I'm going to save the crux of what the top traders I know in the world are looking at right now. I'm going to save that until after I invite you to join VIP. Don't join Basecamp. Pull the trigger. Join VIP the top level, just so that you know. Yes, join VIP. This link will allow you to do that. Also, YouTube will allow you to do it. It will get you access to our back rooms and to the perk is the indicator. Put I am VIP on the response to the first pinned tweet. All right. That will put you in touch with me and I'll get you in the back. We will process you, get you familiar with the materials of New York Institute of Finance. Don't be intimidated. Be excited. We're going to put you in the winner's circle. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. And look at the charts. Look at the fire and ice. Boom. Love it. It's on the framework of it's in the framework of the New York Institute of Finance. We're extremely excited to be able to bring it to you in 2022 as part of your toolkit. Just hugely impressive. Look at the MACD reviews in the back, etc. Guys, this is the hot spot in terms of VIP, the number one trade group. Now, I want to talk to you about what is the critical analysis that's going on by London is saying, all the top traders in the world are looking at something. Oh, sure. Oh, really, huh? You try this one on. Left-hand side is what? Left-hand side is the hourly. What just happened on the hourly time frame? Pay attention, VIP. Pay attention. On the hourly time frame, level of support, level of resistance. We just broke out of this solid move, bam, to the upside. What target did we achieve? I'll tell you, no slack retail traders, YouTube standard influencers are talking about this. I'll tell you guys, listen up. The amplitude move of the channel from support to resistance, buyers on support, sellers on resistance on the 1 hourly time frame. Okay, pay attention. The amplitude or height of this channel, okay, was carried up as the target level achievement by the buyers. Boom, slingshot to the upside, bam, target achieved on the 1 hourly time frame, very compressed compared to the channel framework that we have on, pay attention guys, the channel framework that we have on the daily. Now on the daily, we're seeing price action from the $69,000 range all the way down. The hourly's compressed. We're in the $19,000 to $21,500 range. So looking at the macro, looking at the big picture, the daily support, resistance, the question, okay, and always read in. When I tell you we trade the micro, because it explains the macro. We trade the small time frames because it explains the larger time frames. These are the type of similarities, comparisons that we make between the hourly, the channel formation, now the daily, the channel formation. Now, if we can repeat, if we do go to the upside, because everyone's wanting to look at targets to the upside right now, if we can set this specific double bottom that we went over in the beginning, okay? And remember the requirement, that bottom right corner needs to not get filled out like a descending triangle. If we can get up and over this level of resistance, I'll tell you from the current price, if we can repeat what we just did, what Bitcoin just did on, listen up guys, just did on the hourly with that amplitude carry up, if we can do that on the daily, you see the amplitude, what's the amplitude carry up on Bitcoin? 39,646. Let's call it 39.5 to 40,000. What percentage gain would that be from here? An 85% gain. 85% gain stacking on $18,000. Okay, got your attention now, huh? You got it. So we'll look at the micro to read into the macro. Channel formation, boom to the upside. Channel formation. We're assessing in the midst of a bear market, can this move happen? I'll tell you, if you have listened to the TA, if you followed us and you acquired a position when I alerted you that we had a buy line active several days ago. How many days ago was that? If you're in that position, you guys, you're up 18% max. Hello. Guys, you're talking about a potential additional 85%. Listen up. One of the maxims of the New York Institute of Finance is the following. Aside from, we incorporate buy at support, sell at resistance, or long at support, short at resistance. Okay, in addition to trade your patterns and hit your targets, one of the maxims is to let your profits run. Let your profits run, okay? And cut your losses short. Bottom line. Now, we'll be day trading, but we're going to save the 9 to 18 discussion because I want to know who's listening out there. I want to know who's trading. I've developed an additional indicator for the 9 over the 18. I want to know who's listening. I want to know who's trading. Bottom line. VIP got a teaser of it last night, but it's hot, guys. It's nice. It's hot. That 9 over the 18 on the daily, we're going to let that develop a bit. Want to see who's plugged in. If you're not plugged in, watch the preceding video. See what you can learn about the 9 over the 18. Guys, this is top shelf stuff. You want the easy answer, guys. Yeah, easy answer is not going to get you any money on the market. It's not, guys. You know, maybe a what would you call it? Like a super moon event. It's a super moon event. Everyone's going. You know, typically you're going to have to focus, guys. You're going to have to focus a little bit more. So staying out of this red zone. Let's go and backtrack to this. Staying out of the red zone. You guys see this? Boom, right? You see the similarity with the New York Institute of Finance materials. All the VIP have it. If you're interested in going to school there, you let me know. You want to go get a certification, you want to go get a passage in a class, TA, etc. If you want to do that, that's fine. I'll tell you, I'll call the guys up in the office of New York Institute of Finance, say, hey, we got some more guys coming. All right? We're like that, period. I'm like that with them, okay? Don't worry about it. So, level of support. And I don't get $1. Huh? Everybody, ooh, I don't get $1. Huh? I don't want $1 from the New York Institute of Finance. Huh? I need a commission from you. Huh? You know, where's my cut? No, I want to teach you guys how to trade, okay? Where Wall Street goes to school, top guys. Huh? Now, looking at the framework here, we try and make it a lot more fun than they would. You guys know that. This VIP is a weekend. So looking at the framework, we need to stay out of this red zone. And the further we were to go down into this red zone, the more difficult things become. You guys know that, okay? So that's your litmus test right now. Watch the preceding video on the 9 over the 18, guys. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, and you know, former hedge fund owner, private, not SEC, and not financial advice, but I invite you today to join the #1 trade group. Guys, hit the button, get it done. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.